Hello children, greetings to you all. Let's start our class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Loving God, fill us this day with the understanding of mind to be fully awake to your presence in our online class. Amen. Okay children, today's class we shall revise unit 2 and we shall complete the book exercise. Okay? Yes. So what is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere is the total amount of water present on the planet, right? So the hydrosphere includes water that is present on the surface of the planet. It may be underground or it is in the air. Okay, it is in the form of liquid, vapor or in solid. So hydrosphere is nothing but water on earth. Okay, our planet earth has 71% of water. We all know that. In that 97% of water is salt water and only 3% of water is fresh water that we get from ground, lake, ponds, streams and rivers. Okay. Then we studied about importance of hydrosphere. What is the importance of hydrosphere? We need water for carry out many activities in our daily life. So without water nothing is possible. With water only we drink, we eat, we cook food, everything. Animals and plants also need water for their survival. If there is no water, it cannot evaporate and form clouds and there will not be any rain. No rain, no water, nobody can live. Right? These all we studied. Then we studied about types of water bodies. We studied about ocean. Oceans are vast water body and usually separate continents. Ocean will separate the only oceans are separating the continents. So it is a salt water in nature and we have 5 oceans that are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay, then sea means seas are also like a vast water body but it will be little smaller than ocean. Then we studied about rivers, lakes, okay, streams. Then we studied about gulf, bay, lagoon, strait, waterfalls, all these we studied. Okay, then we studied the how we should not pollute the water, how we can safeguard the water, what are the steps we can follow, that and all we studied. Then we studied about water cycle. So water cycle is having 4 stages. What is evaporation, condensation, precipitation, round off and infiltration. So in evaporation what will happen? Because of the sun's heat, water from the ground will get evaporated and go up, okay, as a form of vapor. When it reaches a height, because of the cool temperature, these vapor will cool down and it will again be formed as liquid. These liquid because of the wind forms clouds. Okay, this forming of liquid into clouds is called as condensation. The vapor into liquid is called as condensation and these clouds are formed and again what will happen? Because of wind collision will happen. Because of this collision what will happen? Precipitation, that is rain will happen. Again that rain water will come and fall into the ground. Again this ground will absorb the rainwater, that is called as infiltration. Again next what will happen? Again because of sun's heat that evaporation will happen. This process will keep on continuing. This cycle is called as a water cycle. Okay, these are the things we studied in this lesson and we shall now quickly fill the book exercise. Choose the correct answer. Hydrosphere is the total amount of water present on the earth. Option B. Find the odd one. Ganga, Atlantic, Arctic, Pacific. So Atlantic, Arctic and Pacific are ocean, only Ganga is the river. So that is the odd one. Option A. Third one, water body that is surrounded by lake on all sides is called lake. Water body that is surrounded by land on all sides is called lake. Option C. Evaporation is the first stage of the water cycle. Option A. Number 5. Dash is a broad inlet of water body where the land curves inward. It is bay. And option C. So first one option B, second one option A, third one option C, fourth one option A, fifth one option C. Match the following. Freshwater Dal Lake, a lagoon, Chilika in Odisha, joins Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal, Park Strait. Inland saltwater Sambar Lake, condensation, formation of clouds. 4, 3, 5, 2, 1. Next, true or false? About 97% of the earth is salt water. True. Water is not necessary for our basic needs. False. Water in the sea is sweet. False. We should keep the tap open throughout while washing utensils. False. We should save water. True. Okay, so we completed with the book exercise. Now project work. You can collect and stick pictures of water bodies. What are the water bodies? We know ocean, seas, lakes, rivers, okay, bay, gulf, all these are water bodies. You can go to shop and ask for water bodies picture, then you can stick. If at all you cannot do that, you can collect pictures from the magazines or newspaper, anything, cut it and you can even stick. Okay children, you can do anything, but I want you to do the projects. Many are not doing and sending. Even first unit I gave, I cannot see, only one student gave me. Others, please do it and send. Okay children, take care. Thank you. Bye.